right, so we're taking the bumper apart for Grandma's 72 Charger. I had loosely bolted all the brackets to it and stuff, but all these bolts and stuff are the wrong ones. Gonna clean up the bumper, and then we're gonna put the right bolts back on and put all the brackets back on. And all right, so unfortunately, this bumper's been sitting a long time. You can see there's sort of like little pits of rust, which rub out pretty easy. Anyway, I'm gonna use this stuff. Purple metal polish, rub down all the chrome. This should bring its shine back and get rid of all those little rust spots. So in the meantime, Dylan's cleaning all the bracketry, get all that cleaned up, and get bolts and put it all back together. Okay, so I just wanted to show you all like little corrosion, rust. I'm not gonna call them pits, they're just like on the surface. So I'm just gonna polish all this with the metal polish just to show you how well it's working or not. I'm just polishing by hand using an old sock. Looking pretty good. Not bad, huh? All right, let's take a closer look.